Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the fridge screw on your refrigerator. The reason why you might have to do this is because the screw is broken, damaged, or missing. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the fridge we're going to be using for our demonstration here. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind yours might be a little bit different at home than what we have here, but the same techniques should still apply. So the screw we're going to be replacing is actually on our door handle. It's underneath this piece of trim right here. So in order to get the trim off, what we're going to do is just pull straight down like so, and then it'll lift right off. So now what we're going to do is use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove that screw. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement screw. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we're going to put the screw into place and screw it down nice and tight. Now we can put the trim back on. We're going to line up the two top tabs with this middle slot right here and slide it straight up and lock it into place. And after you've done that, your repair is complete. I was going to share a vegetable joke, but it's a bit corny. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.